a line plot is a way to organize your data. In this line plot, it's plum measurements. They have weighed plums that were picked, and it shows the weight in ounces. So our number line starts at 2 and it ends at 5. Each X equals 1 plum. So for this line plot, there are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are a total of 12 plums were weighed. So out of these 12 plums, we have one that is the least amount and some that were the most amount. There were 3 plums that weighed the most that was the same. 1 plum weighs the least. So how can we find the unit of measurement? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hash marks in between my 2 and 3, 8 hash marks between 3 and 4, 8 hash marks between 4 and 5. So if I just mark the half, so this would be 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4. So this line right here is 4/8 or 1/2. So 2 and 4/8 or 2 and 1/2 for this hash mark. Here, if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 2 plums that weigh 3.5 ounces. And 1, 2, 3, these ones weigh 4 and 3/8 because there's 8 hash marks and there's 1, 2, 3/8. So when I'm looking at this line plot and I'm thinking how many total plums there are, I counted the X's. If I wanted to know what the difference is between the least amount and the most amount of the plum, I would just do some subtraction. I would do the most has to go first, 4 and 3/8, minus 2 and 4/8. So I have the most amount weighed and the least amount weighed. So when I go to subtract, I can already tell I'm going to have to borrow. So I'm going to take 1, make my whole a 3. My whole is 8 pieces, so I'm adding 8 to my numerator. I'm going to have 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. I got 11 because there's 8 pieces in a whole, and I borrowed a whole. So keep my denominators the same, minus 2 and 4/8. And the difference between the plum that weighs the least compared to the plum that weighs the most, well, 3 minus 2 is 1. 11 minus 4 is 7. It is 1 7/8 ounces. I hope this helps for this question on the test.